Daily use English sentences for kids. Let's get started. Hurry up. Hurry up. Quickly get ready. Quickly get ready. Don't touch that. Walk slowly. It's time to go to sleep. Be nice to someone. Where are your manners? Don't do that, it's not nice. How dare you to speak to me in that tone? Do you have a fever? I like your shirt. Are you feeling unwell? Where did you get hurt? Where is it hurting? Did something's happen? Are you feeling all right? It's time to brush your teeth. Let me tuck you in. Sleep tight and sweet dreams. Sleep in. Time to wake up. Sleep well. Close your eyes and count till 10. What do you want to play? That's my boy. That's my girl. You beat me again. Breakfast is ready. Empty your plate. You should not hold it like this. Take a few more bites. Don't play with your food. Clean your plate. What homework did you get from school? Do you want me to help with some things? How is your school? What did you learn today? Did you have fun? Take out the trash. Can you please help? Help me with laundry. Organize your room. Clean it up right now. Get dressed. Did you lock the door? I would like to visit the washroom. Where is my jacket? I want to comb my hair. I want to fix my clothes. How much does this cost? Please go slow. I am still learning English.